So basically, how much time we have, sir? How much time we have?
Half an hour.
Half an hour.
Yeah.
So half an hour time. So say I can make 10 drinks for you, and in that now it's around 15. So 12, 15 we finish. Okay. So yeah, half an hour we can finish. Down 45.
How many you want? How many?
But it's up to you. I can my minimum is 20 minutes.
Oh,
So if you're okay with 40 minutes, no problem. So I will show you the drinks, do some tastings, and then we will see how it goes. Yeah. So first I will start with your classic ones, which is your mojito milk. So we have a ready-made mojito milk syrup. So you can use this mojito milk syrup also if you guys want to make a classic mojito. So you all do mojito here, huh? Do mojitos in this bar?
No.
No? No
We don't
classic
have.
one?
No, we got this one.
So then I will show you the classic one, and then I will show you one flavor one. So we make one classic, and we can make one flavor, maybe raspberry. So I'll make one regular one and flavored mojito. Yeah. Now it's very common. This double mojo. You don't know the in Sri Lanka it's very famous for the double mojito. One with mojito and one color. In the Ozo I saw yesterday they have the double mojito. So I'll make the classic one. Do you have some crusher, ice crusher?
You want ice? You want to crush it?
Ice cubes or just give me whole ice cube? It's okay, no problem. So first one I'm going to make a classic mojito. So you take a cocktail shaker. To make a classic mojito, you can use lemon or raspberry. Just use like 3. So it's 3 numbers. You just squeeze it and put in 1. 3. You can see that. And then you take some mint leaves. If the leaves are bigger, then you can use like 5 to 6. If the leaves are small, then you can use around 10 leaves. So these are bigger leaves. I'm just using like 5 to 6 leaves. Give a tap. Just put it inside. Okay, and then add some ice cubes. Okay, add some 3/4 of ice cubes. I need one of you behind the bar so you can help me to get the glass. Having more fruit content, so you don't have to use too much. You have to just use 10 ml, 20 ml maximum. So for a classic mojito, I'm just using only 20 ml. So just put 20 ml of mojito milk. Much. Now give a good shake. Soda and Sprite, please. Take a glass and pour it gently. And put equal amount of soda and Sprite. Lemon slices to garnish with some sweet. Okay, that's your classic mojito. Simple. Okay. Now I'll make you one flavor mojito. So I'll make you one raspberry flavor mojito. Same method. Nothing. Same process, but only thing we add the raspberry syrup to it. So I'm making one flavor that is a classic, which is your virgin mojito. If you put Bacardi rum to it, it becomes cocktail. So this is without rum. I'm making one raspberry mojito, virgin. So same 3 lemon wedges. Add some mint sprigs. Add some mint sprigs. This time you have to put need 10 ml of mojito and then you have to put the rest raspberry. Just put 10 ml mojito, just 10 ml, and put just 1 ml of raspberry. Some ice cubes. Give a good shake. So again, in this, if you put Bacardi rum, then it becomes raspberry mojito. Now I'm making raspberry, which is without alcohol. Some bread. Then put some soda and Sprite to it. Half soda and half Sprite. So one is classic, plain one. That's a flavored one, raspberry. Yeah, sure. That simple is that. So you can try it out. It's nice. Once you take the picture, you tell me. I'm going to give you to taste. It's okay. You want to take
Yes, okay.
from your
Okay,
boss?
no problem.
No problem.
No problem.
That's enough. This is 50, yeah. This is like this one.
Yes,
Yeah, this
sure,
is like
50.
50. Which grape?
Yes, Carl Rose, California.
Grape. Something better than nothing, you know. So make red wine sangria.
Naturally.
So first I will show you how to make without alcohol. Then I will show you with wine. Okay. So to make a red wine sangria, first you take shake and drink. Keep the cocktail shaker ready. Use any citric fruits like orange, pineapple. You can use put some chopped fruits inside. So I'm using some chopped orange, and you can use some pineapple as well. So I'm putting some pineapples. If you have some cherry, you can put some cherry. You have cherry here?
Cherry grapes.
Yeah, cherry, just give me like 1 or 2 cherry. And give me a wine glass. Give me 2 wine glasses. So you can put like 2 cherries. And then, so you have orange, pineapple and cherry. Then just give a muddle. Give a gentle muddle, don't muddle too much. Just gently give the muddle. Okay, then put some ice cubes. Then Then add some juice. So you can add apple and orange juice, better. So put 50-50, sorry 25-25. 25 apple, put 25 apple and 25 orange. Once you put the fresh fruits, you put the orange and apple juice. Then you have to add the syrup, red white sangria syrup. So just add 20 ml of syrup. Just 20 ml of syrup. That's it. If you want, you can add like 5 ml of cinnamon spice, or you can put fresh cinnamon also. Just put 5 ml of cinnamon. So 20 red wine, 5 ml cinnamon. That's it. Just give a good shake. Ready now, you can just put it in the red wine glass. You want more bigger one, bigger size?
No, sir. No.
इधर बना देगी
Yeah. So that's your mocktail. You have to just put some splash of soda to it.
Soda.
Okay? If you want to make it as a cocktail, just put the red wine. That's it. So this is now a mocktail. I'll show you how to make a cocktail. So if you want to make a cocktail, just use the same thing. Just add the and then you can add a splash of soda on the top.